The most cutting-edge banking design concepts, such as desktop interfaces, dashboard designs, and mobile banking service designs, were chosen to be shared by the hired banking UI designers. These designs are created using customer business cases and submitted to Essential Financial Services, aiming to inspire new banking design concepts and provide the best financial services. Usability is greatly influenced by excellent UI design. Your user interface should be easy to use and intuitive. By doing this, you can lessen cognitive strain and hasten user productivity. Customers that visit a bank branch to ask how to utilize specific app features are probably doing so as a result of poor app usability or design. There are several design best practices for banking apps that apply to all app types. Security features are among those that are industry-specific. Using these patterns, one can produce a final product that adheres to and represents important UI design concepts. The newest security tools for mobile devices, such as facial recognition and fingerprint unlock, should be used. The user interface of a modern financial app should be inviting and welcoming, encouraging clarity and lowering cognitive burden. The classic, dignified, and solemn colors are no longer used in modern banking app designs. Instead, companies hire banking UI designers for creating minimalist UI design. This can be accomplished by selecting an appealing color palette that represents your brand. The design of a straightforward financial app might be challenging. It may be challenging to assist users while they climb the initial learning curve. Nevertheless, if done effectively, it can increase usability tenfold. Apps won't mind adding hints, suggestions, and tips to their UI. The user may feel overwhelmed by the clutter, which may frustrate and divert them. Creating cards from lengthy lists of options is a terrific technique to make your bank app design more readable. Create cards with text and symbols that your users can tap on, rather than a vertical column of text links. These UI cards can be arranged in groups that appear to be a grid or a series of panels. This enhances usability and makes each option easier to view. Data-heavy dashboard designs can be found in mobile banking applications. These apps offer comprehensive details about customers' accounts, debts, and services. When you log into your banking app, the amount of information you view can quickly become overwhelming. Using the principle of progressive disclosure, you may prevent your users from overloading with information. It's crucial to give users screens that give them financial insight while designing banking apps. These data frequently consider variables including savings, debt settlement history, and spending patterns. Any banking app design would benefit from including this function because it gives consumers a sense of financial empowerment. Users without a background in finance may quickly understand how their expenses, credit card debt, and credit score are broken down. People significantly enjoy being able to view their balances on their banking apps. Users can access their primary checking account balance on a card as soon as they log in, thanks to the app's banking functionality. Swiping to view different accounts is simple. The application does not clog the user interface and effectively utilizes the available screen space. Gamification is a technique for retaining users' interest and encouraging them to use your software for purposes other than completing tasks. Gamification can increase app adoption by motivating users to share their experiences. Even better if your gamification feature enables user interaction among numerous users. This can make the banking experience more engaging and enjoyable. Apps for mobile banking frequently use maps. With their users' location, they are used to identify ATMs close to a bank. This convenient feature is helpful since it makes it simpler to find relevant ATMs in your mobile banking app than on Google or Apple Maps. Notifications could provide the user with a personalized experience and benefit them daily if appropriately implemented in banking app design.